Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use and redeem promo codes inside of Whatnot, the shopping and selling platform. Now I'm going to show you how to do this using referral codes, okay, which is like the promo codes in this platform here. So what are you going to do is to come into this platform here. I'm using the desktop version, but you can also do it with the mobile app. Now you can just come to this GIF icon that says referrals and you can just click on it. Let's click on refer friends and earn credit. And from here, you can just copy this link. This is going to be basically your referral code, okay? And any user can actually do this. Now you can send this to your friends, and actually both of you are going to get a random credit that is going to be between 10 euros and 200 euros, okay? Or an equivalent amount in dollars, okay? So the friend that you send it to basically has to put this link in this browser, okay? And he's going to get like a register link. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, guys.